Welcome guys to a quick little video, and in this video I am going to show you how I manage this SD card to safely format, because this SD card is refused to read on any memory block or any mobile phone or any other way. So what I did, I programmed this AVR Ardruino microcontroller such that it talks to the SD card, and through some clever programming I will show you in a minute how I did that. Let me first show you how I did connect all the pin connections. Here I have taken a uh, some cheap SD card reader, and I have connected all the pins in very thin copper wire through, and I have connected such way that all the plus VCC and ground and the data pins are to the microcontroller, and the pin connection configuration is, as you can see in the Arduino, we need these four pins, this SCK, MISO, MOSI, and the chip select, the SS pin number 10, 11, 12, 13. These four pins we mainly need, and for the power supply we need to connect the 3.3 volt line over here, and we can get ground from anywhere in the board. So we have connected all the connections with the micro SD card reader. And just to show you how the micro SD cards pin configuration, here is a quick little pin. You can trace back and try to connect it via this order. And let me show you what I did in the programming side. So in the ID, Arduino ID, what you need to do is you go there, and in the library section you search a directory called SDFAT. So SDFAT, you need to first install this. I have already installed it, that is why it is showing me to remove. So after what I did, go over to this position, this three dot, and then go to example, and there in the middle you can see SD format. So you have to open this on your window, so a pop-up will appear, and that will contain the SDFAT library. And all you need to do is you need to upload this to your AVR, so that your AVR can talk to the micro SD card, and all the communication that we are about to see is going to be put through the serial the serial monitor. So here is the full code, and you just go and download the library and upload this to your microcontroller, and you need to connect the Arduino. And first let me show you first show you how I connect my system. So I go over and select the mini core and my right chip in order, and now I do upload the program. So it will take few seconds to upload the full program. So I have successfully uploaded this into the SD card, the microcontroller, and right now there is no SD card is connected. I'm going to connect this 4 GB micro SD card to the slot, and let me show you in the program what I did. So first I need to securely connect the SD card in here, and go over to the ID, and I have to select the serial monitor, and make sure you have the baud rate correct, because this is the 9600 baud rate. And there you can see a message is being appeared, that is saying that assuming the SD card is on the SPI device, type any character to start. So all the pin configuration, it is asking that you should check all the pin connections are in correct order. So any letter would do. I just any letter and you get this. So let me full screen this. So you can see here it is showing me the card, the file format, and it is up to 2 to 32 GB to format. So to continue, it is saying me to continue, press capital Y. So we are going to put capital Y to proceed, and there you can see it has you saw that the SD card is 4 GB. Right now you are seeing that it is 3.97 GB, card size 3.70 GB, and card will be formatted at FAT32. So we wanted to format this in FAT32, but in this case we are going to quick format it enough so that it can be readable by any other device, because the full format will take time and might not be fast or effective. But in this case we are going to quick format it first. So you need to put command in capital letter. So we are going to put command in Q, and we are going to proceed, and let's see, it is showing me error, it is not formatted. So let's try to use the other option, the erase the card first. Then if that does not work, we are going to put this F. So let's first close the serial monitor and rerun the serial monitor again. Here any character might work, and to proceed we need to type Y. Let's use the E instruction this time. So let's put capital E, and let's see, right now this is erasing, it is showing erasing. That means the operation is going on, but it failed to erase again, but it is trying, that we can see. So let's do the F command then. If that does not work, let us check what is the problem, because you saw the whole memory block. That means it is being able to read the whole storage. So that means the firmware is there, but some part of it, important part of it, is being corrupted. That is why it is not doing as we intended to. So let's proceed with Y, and then let's proceed with the capital F. Let's see, it is erasing, but let's see if that proceeds or not, because I did the same thing with this. You saw this fails again. Let me have to try this with I did this same thing with this 8 GB card, and that way it was successfully erased. Then I put that into any kind of phone or any kind of card reader, then I can be able to reformat it at FAT32, proper full format at FAT32. That's how I did this mine. So I have a couple of SD cards laying around, so I need to format all of this in order to put use. So that is the video. I hope you guys understand how you format your SD card without any card reader or something. If that fails to recognize your SD card, you can do these options too. So